Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow a Facebook group. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. When the app opens, you will see a group icon at the top of the screen just beside the home icon. Now tap on that group icon. And here you will see the group feed, where you will see various posts from groups you are a member of. Now tap on the group name to visit a group. When you are on the group, tap on the three dots on top right corner. And then tap on Unfollow group. And from now on, you will not have any updates from this group. Neither the posts from this group will appear on your newsfeed. Even if your friends post on this group, you will not be able to see that on your newsfeed. And that is how you can unfollow a group on Facebook. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.